empty without, is incomplete for me without Namrata Goyal and Shabana Azmi, who I adore. So please come on stage. I can't speak half as well as she does, so I'm going to give her the mic.
Hello. Thank you very much. Jeet raho. Khush raho. Thank you very much. We've really been looking forward to having you for so many years, and finally we get you. May I ask you to say a few words?
Good evening. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. I've been seeing the amazing work that all of you have been doing, and I have to confess that when I started the philanthropic work that I did do 3 years ago, a lot of my inspiration comes from the work that all of you have done. And I think what is inspiring is to see the impact, to see the passion, to see the commitment, to see year on year the kind of work that you do, the fact that you've been able to impact the lives of so many young women and children, to enable them, to empower them, and most importantly, to bring so much joy into their lives. So thank you for doing that, and thank you to all the women who work behind the scenes. I think the strength of a nation is in building all the skills that we have, whether it's craft, whether it's art, whether it's sport, and to see that you all recognize that 9 years ago is incredible. So thank you for the amazing work that all of you do, and keep inspiring us.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Jeete raho, khush raho. And now for my jigar ka tukda, the Goodwill Ambassador of Mijwa Welfare Society. Put your hands together for Ranbir Kapoor.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As Goodwill Ambassador of the Mijwa Welfare Society, it really gives me a great sense of pride to see the journey of the Mijwa girls and women towards empowerment and self-reliance. Today, they're not only financially independent, but they have the confidence to dream big and break the shackles of patriarchy. I believe my mom is here somewhere. Yes. Where is she? Hi, Mom. My mother always taught me that a man is as good as the respect he shows a woman. A man is as good. A man is as good as the space he gives his wife, daughter, sister, mother to be whoever she wants to be. I am genuinely trying to be that man. So thank you, Shabana Auntie, Namrata, Manish, Deepika, and everybody at the Mijwa Welfare Society for really empowering me with this. Thank you.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the show.
क्या आपने बोला मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया हाँ वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट सुनाई दिया क्वेश्चन सुनाई नहीं दिया I think सबसे बड़ी बात है कि we've come together to work on Mijwa Welfare Society and I think that's the bigger picture here. So it's always wonderful, to work for Manish, to work with Deepika, for Shabana Auntie, Namrata, and everybody concerned with the Mijwa Welfare Society.
I think very, very exciting, to be honest. I think, like he said, this is my first time. I know he's done it before, but this is my first time. And I started my career off as a model. I've walked the ramp many, many times, but this was special. It felt genuine, it felt real, and it felt connected. I felt like everyone behind the scenes has worked really, really hard in doing what they do, not just in putting the show together, but in the fact that you can see the work, the effort, the craftsmanship, and I think most importantly the fact that they've empowered so many women and children. It gives me so much joy and it's so inspiring to see the work they do. Like I said, I think the fact that we've empowered women is one thing, but to see the quality of work that's coming out of Mijwa year on year, And to see that today they can compete or provide for top designers, not of the country but of the world, you know, I think it really says a lot about the talent that we have in the country, and the fact that if we empower them, if we enable them, there's so much that we can do. I think we'd be so much, I think, richer as a nation. And this is just the beginning. We have a long way to go.
Thank you. Masculinity के बारे में बोलो.
Well, I think firstly we have to change the notion of masculinity. I think masculinity का जो एक idea है हमारे दिमाग में, I think we change the feelings of entitlement. I think that's a beginning. Once we do that, and the kind of platform that you know we can provide to, and especially us who are entitled, that we can provide to the people of our country, especially to the girls, to the women. I think that's a great start, and I think Mijwan Welfare Society is about that. You know, coming together to do just that.
By being here, he is doing that. Yeah.